everyone, welcome back to the VideoProc Vlogger channel. Today, we'll be showing you how to create a sketch logo reviewer effect. If you're interested, keep watching. Before we start, we need to download some clips, a sketch texture image, and a brush video clip. You'll also need to prepare a logo image. Once you have those, let's open VideoProc Vlogger. Click here to go to the settings page. Find the background section and change the color to white. Then click down to return to the main interface. After that, let's import the logo image and the sketch image into the media library. Drag the logo image into the video track. If your logo is in color, we need to convert it to black and white. Select the image. Click here to enter the color editor. Set the saturation to -100 and adjust other parameters like contrast and exposure to make the logo clear. Return to the main interface. Click here to add a text clip. Type your text in the input box. Select a suitable font and set the text color to black. Find the text shadow section. Set the offset to 0. Adjust the size and position of the logo and text. Then click here to take a screenshot of the current frame. Import the screenshots back into VideoProc Vlogger and delete all clips from the timeline. Place the screenshot image into the video track. Then add a sketch image to the overlay track. Fit its size to the screen. Find the blend mode and change it to pink light or hard light. At this point, the logo should have a sketch texture. You can adjust the scale settings of the material in the overlay track to fine-tune the sketch texture. Once you are satisfied with the result, use Ripple Edit to trim the clip to around 15 frames. Right-click on the clip and select Copy. Then paste it after the original clip. In the preview window, move the playhead so the sketch texture changes slightly. Repeat this copy and paste process until the entire clip is filled with sketch textures. Now we have this. Next, export this video segment. After deleting everything from the timeline, re-import this exported video into VideoProc Vlogger. Also, import the prepared brush video clip. Place the sketched logo video in the video track and the brush clip in the overlay track. Fit its size to the screen. Use Ripple Edit to trim the brush clip, keeping only the portion where the brush appears. Then find the opacity setting and adjust it to around 0.7. Finally, resize and reposition this clip so the brush stroke covers the logo and the text perfectly. Next, adjust the opacity back to 1 and change the blend mode to lighten. If we can still see the shadows of the logo, go to Color in the filter. Adjust the high contrast value until the logo disappears. This is how we make this logo reviewing effect. Finally, add a new overlay track. Locate the image of the logo in the text. Place it in the new track. fit it to the screen size, and drag it to the later part of the video where the logo fully appears. Check Fit In under the Fit and Move section. Adjust the duration to around 0.7 seconds. And that's how we make the sketch logo reviewer effect. Well, this is all for today's video. If you want to know more editing tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. See you in our next editing tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!